Chief Executive Member ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council KHADC ubak Shembor lang Rinja haka kandai tere ujemang araja arpusan ula Leit man Sakhi ya ka Lehniam shwaban bet sembai tho lingdo balapen long daki judgment riu Khasi Kherwang ham minser Karbi Anglong. Kadi ka Lehniam kadi ka balapen long dak seng raj Kyrwoh ka balong kum ka wei na ki culture ban burom ya ki riti dostor ki bala rimba shwaban bet ya ki sembai jing thung. Yau ba Shembor lang la pediang burom dagi pat ba Khasi Kherwang ki bala dap dak jingkmen namar bo long tang ma marway na pedang ki MDC ne ki nong mi khmat pat ba ban Sakhi ya kate ka shat na pedang ki wei pat ki nong mi khmat jonga KHADC. President ka United Karbi People's Organization UKPO uba pensngan lang rata ni baru nong ai jimut jong ka seng raj Kherwang ula pen pau ka jing ro halor ka jing benta jong uba Shembor lang da ka ba ai khuble ye ka jing persang jong u ban pen klan ye ka jing teli jong ki judgment riu ba ka jing long kerpang jong ka riti dustur. Nalor CEM ka KHADC laidon lang ru daw executive member ka Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council KAAC di uping maslai bat deputy speaker u avijit kro bat kiwei pan. Habakran sikilat patay kubor uba Shembor lang ula ongru bau skokman bau yo jingtem baki Khasi ki dan bun ki basa ha Karbi Anglong ki long snong long thau bat ki sim bentaru ha kate ka jaka katkum kariti dustur ka jaka.
Mencibun banyak apa yo kejat akan dekat Shillong Mail Lehniam rekom coba nak buat Kherwang kaba nak kalian binok penyak jadi apa dikenduk office ke jonga nak kabanta ban hot banyak banyak Sakhi ya kini kalian yang bejok selain ke jonga ngasuk komen cibun banyak banyak i ba kum ka beri nyotrak kidon ki kon ki hajar nak kini kabanta ke jongi ke bawan ban seng hau kan kakak kum ki jat sedap matui di kijat ki balayo ban ya seng thau ni ban pendap le kanyam ko kom ke jongki kat kum ka benta ka bagi kisah tingelang jonga ngayo ban wan hangi ban sekilang le kanyam ko jongki ban wan ru na ka benta ban akit bok yang ya ka kanyam le kom jongki khnang ba kata kala nyam ke jongki na ka benta ki aingo aidam nang benta ka tre ka kata kadap karyang jongki oblai unang kurku kodok ya ka kam ka jam ka tre kata ke jongki kum ki kun ki hajar ki basong basa kan ka dong kathai ka nang roi kerhai ha ka kam kata nang le jonga ngawan hang ni ban yo ban ya sakilang ban ki ban ar ka chik pok ka ki ha kam ka jam paro as Khasi people in different region they should have this ritual for the thanksgiving for their god for their harvest and other activities that they do in their homes and their daily life. So with this regard we see that we the people of the Khasi we believe in God and with his blessings we can achieve what we require in our daily life. That is the main purpose I visit here is to see the rituals of the people settled here in this Minser. That is my first purpose. Then after receiving that memorandum, so from our side, from me as the CM, I will see what we can do from our council to respond to them. What are they written in that memorandum? That I will see later on.
And this is also our one of the oldest village, and here they are preserving the Kherwang Khasi culture that we need to preserve. And this is the village, the traditional head of the Kherwang, called Lengo, and this village belongs to that head of the Kherwang. So we all cooperate with them and preserve their language and culture.
Pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam duna ki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habat thiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kum ki vitamin bat ka ayan la ai kan diat bada ka bathau bha kam khata ai ka dur jing ki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi panai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki mar ba madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.